Hi, welcome back to the Baby Boomers Tech Show. Are you having some problems with that phone slowing down? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to make that phone go faster. Let's check it out.
Get strong.
So I'm going to look at 5 things that you can do to speed up your phone. The first tip is just turn your phone off and back on again. How would you feel if your brain ran for 24 hours a day, never got a chance to refresh? Turn off your phone, and this will clear up your random access memory, making your phone run faster. Tip number 2. Sometimes it's not the phone. It might be your Wi-Fi. Wrong internet file information. Not really, I just made that up. It stands for wireless fidelity. Sometimes it can make your phone lag. And if you do a mini reset by going to and turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, that can reset it. Tip number 3. Clean out all of your cache. No, I mean clean out all of your cache, which are temporary data storage files that apps on your phone uses. This will boost your phone's performance and free up space by not reloading the same information again. Tip number 4. On your Samsung phones, you have 2 ways that you can clear the cache. One way is by choosing the app. So we're going to go to my internet browser, Chrome. And then we're going to go down until we see settings. And then we're going to tap on privacy and security. And then once we tap on privacy and security, we're going to go up to the top and we're going to clap on clear browsing data. Then we're going to choose the various data that we want to clear. Browsing history, cookies and site, and cache images and files. So for this one, I'm going to choose the cached images and files, and you click clear data. And the second way that you can clear the cache memory is by going to device care on your Samsung app and just tap on it. And at the bottom, you'll see where it says optimize now. All you need to do is press that. Since mine is already optimized, it will not work right now. If all that didn't speed it up, now it's time for the nuclear option. You heard me. Let's blow the phone up. Okay, maybe not the literal phone, but all of its memories, files, and apps by doing a factory reset. Tip number 5. To do a factory reset, you go to settings. You scroll down until you get to general management. Then you scroll all the way down till you get to reset. And then you choose factory reset. Now that will reset your phone to the original phone settings that it had when you first received your phone. All software will have to be reloaded, any software that didn't come with the phone. So this has been a quick tutorial showing you 5 ways that you can make your Android phone go faster. I am Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.